All right, guys, so let's do some market analysis. This is a quick exercise that I like to do, kind of to check out different markets, check out how healthy the market is, check out the average price point of the market, right? To just dictate whether I want to be there or not. If it's a good market, I want to actually market in or not. So what I have here before you is redfin.com. This is where I get a lot of the actual data or analysis from. If you go up here on Redfin, you hover over this buy button, and then you go down to the last one, U.S. housing market, and click on that. This is going to pop up the analysis page, if you will, right? This search bar, you can type in any city, any zip code, and it will give you a true analysis as far as the numbers on that market. Right. So I want to show you some examples and show you what I look for. I'll type in Atlanta to start it off. So type in Atlanta, and right here, it's going to pop up median sales price. Where do we say we want it to be, right? Under 350,000. Now, it's just 430. Is this terrible? No. Right? Would this deter me away? No, because I know I personally market in Atlanta. And I know I like that market. This is on the high end, but this would not deter me away. 47 days on market. Again, our threshold is around 40. 47 doesn't deter me away at all. I don't want this number to be 60, right? 47 is not terrible. So again, 47 days on market from the day that property is listed on the MLS to the day it moves, 47 days. That's a pretty healthy market. We could do better with this number, but again, it wouldn't deter me away. So you can come, again, literally go through the same process and just type in multiple markets. Let's go to another one. Let's do Houston. Houston, Texas, guys, has always been one of the hottest markets in the United States, especially for flipping and wholesaling and all that good stuff. And that's why it's 31 days on market, right? So we got 355. That's right there, smack dab, where we kind of say our threshold is. And then we got 31 days on market. That's a great market, right, as far as the numbers. Let me jump around to some more. We can go back. And this is literally what I do in my free time. I'll just jump from market to market and just see how healthy it is. See if I want to send out a mailer or whatever there. Oh, look at these numbers. We're in Louisville, Kentucky. We got 259, and then we got 24 days on market. That's very low. Things are moving in Louisville. So that's very, very good numbers. 259, it's like I look at that number and it's like, in today's economy, who can't afford that price point? If you're a buyer, right? Most people can afford 259. Right? Your recent grad or your new family or whatever, like most people can afford that price point. So now your buyer pool is huge, which is where we want to be because that's where investors are, right? Flippers want to be in that affordable price point. How many housing shortage, alerts do you see all over the United States? We have an affordable a housing shortage, right? That's why we want to be here. We do not want to be in luxury $700,000, $800,000, $900,000 price point markets. That's just not where we want to be. It's a different buyer and seller pool up there. Different, totally different, right? So this looks very, very intriguing to me. Let me show you where we don't want to be, guys. We all know, let me go right here. We all know LA, right? Let me hover over and actually go to the statistics. We all know LA, and we know that we don't want to be there because of the price points. Let's see what it looks like. There you go. You got 1,075,000, 43 days on market. Like, this is not where I want to be. Are there wholesalers in Los Angeles? Absolutely, right? But you got some of the best in the world. I don't want to compete in that pool, right? Everything changes here. Seller psyche, buyer, everything changes. I do not want to be here, right? You just restricted your buyer pool. You restricted everything into this little box, right? So again, that was just a quick exercise, guys. You can hop around from as many markets as you want to see how healthy it is based on this, days on market, and how affordable it is based on the median sales price. I hope that makes sense, guys. I will see you in the next chapter.